Hi guys, Azim here, Senior Course Administrator. So, I've been having interactions with our students virtually through, emails and WhatsApp. So finally it's time to, meet them face to face. And I'm just preparing a cafe latte for them. Once it's ready, we'll just go and have a small chit chat with them. So I think the coffee is ready. I will take you guys. Come, let's go. Hi Fridah.
Hi Azam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
All good?
I'm fine, thank you.
Here's coffee for you.
Thank you very much.
Please have a seat. So finally we meet.
Finally we meet.
Yes, we've had conversations by WhatsApp and mails, and it's been a long journey, right? How do you feel finally, meeting, and how do you what's your journey been? How's your journey been?
So I'm feeling excited. My journey at Eaton Business School has been quite interesting. So after enrolling for the 1 year EMBA, started the journey I think in the year 2021.
Correct, yeah.
And did the coursework within the year, able to meet the fees, and the scholarship of course really helped.
Yeah.
But in between I got a bit of a hitch. Basically doing life. Family, juggling between work. Yes, so I took a short break, maybe a long break.
Definitely. Yeah.
1.5 years of just discontinuing for some time was a bit of a challenge, but I was happy when I got that call from EBS to just cheer me on and tell me.
Yeah, I think you were about to drop the plan, and then we just picked you up from there, and
Yes.
and then you restarted again, and now here you are. You've completed your MBA, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. It's been like a good 3 years.
Yes.
Right?
It's been, yes, 3 years.
What do you feel about the admin team or the team EBS in general? How they've helped you throughout?
The admin team was super supportive. The long calls, the mini email exchanges. I felt like I knew you without even ever meeting you. All the faculties, the professors, and even the journey of the thesis, and finally defending it. I feel that the team has really been supportive, and that I have been impacted positively. And finally.
And here you are. You finished. You've got the the MBA.
Yes,
right?
yes, in healthcare management.
I'm so happy for you.